Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the easiest method to forcefully delete a file in Windows 11. And now let's get started. Sometimes, files on your Windows 11 system can become stubborn and refuse to delete through the normal process. This is where a simple yet effective trick comes into play. Locate the file you wish to delete. Instead of simply pressing the delete key, we will use a combination that bypasses the recycle bin and removes the file permanently. First, click on the file once to select it. Then, while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, press the delete key. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to permanently delete the file. Click on Yes. This action will ensure the file is deleted directly from your system, without it being sent to the recycle bin. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.